Hi guys, hope you enjoyed the video. That was me riding at Grittenham, practice track with Thornbury MX. Really excited for this weekend when I'm taking the TC over to Brookthorpe to race the UK Evo series in the modern class. A couple of weekends off after that, and then we're back at Spurt Hill on the 450 trying to defend the old title for the Southwest Championship, well, Senior Southwest Championship. Really excited for that as well. So if you're enjoying the content so far, like and subscribe, and I'll try and get some more up soon, and hopefully it'll be bigger and better every time I post. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.